So today we're gonna make cheesy cinnamon sugar balls. Okay, first you get buttermilk can, and then you like put on you rip it up into pieces, and then you get more serving sizes, and you stretch it out, and then you put the cheese in, and you cover the cheese so it doesn't explode. Make sure to round it out so it looks nice and neat, and then you put more cheese in the balls, and then you keep putting the cheese in the balls and round it up again, just like you did a few seconds ago. And then it's perfectly round. Make sure it looks nice. And then you do this again for like the third time. And then you keep rounding it up. And then keep rolling it. Roll, roll, roll. And then you roll it. And then there's 4 of them now. Oh, now there's 5. Now there's 6. Wow. If you're a magician, then just do that. Oh, now you made it into like a donut type of thing, and then you fry it up until it's not raw. Oh, and then you get more raw ones, and then you fry those to cook them. And then like when they're flowing up, I think that means that they're ready. And so, oh, one of them broke, though that's okay. You can still eat them. And then wow, look. And then you put the cinnamon sugar, like I said earlier, on it, and then oh yeah, ooh, cheesy, mmm. And then you stretch out the cheese for cinematalic masterpiece-ness. Oh, and then you put